Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a tasty and healthy rice suji nashta. It's quick, wholesome and the best way to use leftover rice. This nashta is actually a steam snack, no frying needed. Let's get started. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon cumin. Next add 1 chopped green chilli. And 2 tablespoon chopped onion. Now add 2 tablespoon long beans and 2 tablespoon carrots. Chop your veggies small so they cook quickly and evenly. Cook this mix for about 5 minutes and keep it aside. In a blender, add 1 cup of leftover rice. Pour in half cup suji or semolina. Add half cup curd. Don't skip the curd, it helps in formation and softness. And half cup water. Did you know leftover rice makes a perfect soft base for snacks? Blend until smooth. Now pour the batter into a bowl. Add the cooked veggie mix. Add half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything well. Grease your molds with oil. Pour in the batter. Steamed snacks are lighter on the stomach than fried ones. Leftover rice reduces food waste and provides resistant starch. Suji is rich in iron and keeps you full for longer. This recipe is packed with fiber from the fresh veggies. Boil some water in a pan. Make sure the water in the steamer is already boiling before placing the mold. Steam the batter for 15 to 18 minutes. Your soft and savory rice suji nashta is ready to serve. Have leftover rice at home. Try this and let us know how it turned out. Drop a comment with your favorite steamed snack. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share with your friends. Don't forget to follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more comforting recipes. Thank you for spending time with us at Enoven Cake and Cookies. See you soon with another easy homemade delight.